In a significant move to strengthen its digital ecosystem, the Odisha government will soon establish an artificial intelligence school in the state. A memorandum of understanding is expected to be signed shortly to formalize the initiative. The move aims to promote advanced technology, education, innovation, and skill development, while building a secure, ethical, and responsible AI ecosystem in Odisha. Chief Minister Mohan Majhi announced the development after a high-level meeting with representatives of leading AI company Sarvam. The discussions focused on strategic collaboration in artificial intelligence, including knowledge sharing, specialized training programs, and AI-driven solutions for governance and public services. Officials said the proposed AI school will focus on cutting-edge domains such as machine learning, data science, generative AI, and responsible AI practices. The institution is also expected to emerge as a hub for research, innovation, and industry-academia collaboration, bridging the gap between education and employment. Aligned with Odisha's vision of becoming a technology-driven state, the initiative will ensure ethical and secure deployment of artificial intelligence. Once operational, the AI school is expected to boost innovation, attract investment, and position Odisha as a growing hub for AI education and talent development in Eastern India.
AI रे मध्य सेभली भाबरे ओडिशा भारत वर्षर प्रथम राज्य जे कि AI पॉलिसी 2025 आनी सारी आ से आधार में आम काम करवा आरंभ करूँ। बड़ सौभाग्यर कथा गत काली प्रत्युष पंडा नामक जड़े प्रोफेसर IIT चेन्नई से आसीथिले गत काली मते भेटिथिले अधिकारी माने भी थिले एवं AIC को नेइकरी एक बड़ प्रतिष्ठान प्रतिष्ठा करिवा पई राज्य सरकार सहयोग रे से एक प्रस्ताव देइतिले मो ओडिसा रे मु करिबी जेतु से ओडिया पिला चेन्नई रे प्रतिष्ठित एवं मोदी जी ताकू जी सम्मानित भी करिथिले सेही आधार रे जदि हम देखिबा ताहले आज आम ओडिया युवक युवती माने मध्य अनेक नव सृजन सृष्टि करिबारे सक्षम होउचंती इनोवेट करिबारे आ समाने आगो को बढ़ुचंती।